Yeah. I work as an HR professional in Dr. Reddy's. I gained immensely from this course by Abhay Thakkar. All your life situations will be getting solved and healed automatically with all the tools and techniques that you learn. The benefit of this course that is very special to me is that it's very practical. I have had quite a few aha moments in my personal life to build a relationship with somebody, and also in my professional life to realize my ikigai, to even understand how it would be if I took that as an option in my career. So it is that clear that I have gotten answers for my own questions that I have. The first and foremost benefit that I will take back home and value it everywhere in all aspects of my life is that there is always a choice of communication. We can always choose. And that presentation of that choice happened via this course. Also, this is applicable in personal life, in relationships, in professional life, while handling a team or communication with your manager, with lots of people, public speaking, opportunities. So there are areas in your life that you can apply this. For me, I have also taken a personal benefit of healing my own areas of my life, various aspects of my life through this course. There are opportunities in the entire 8 to 10 days to go through these life experiences without giving out any context. So that's another benefit. I have already gotten the confidence of handling these situations for other people, for basically coaching other people in personal life and professional areas also. So that is a confidence that I have not been able to get with other courses. I got this in particularly this course. It is a very comfortable and a peaceful environment that is created by the instructor. And don't worry about the food at all. So food is fantastic. All homemade. They try to make it as organic as possible and take in everybody's food restrictions. Food is a major part of this entire course. It keeps you healthy, keeps you going. There are enough breaks and do not worry about anything. Just ask and entertain them.